creamy mushroom chicken. First you get some chicken, onion powder, garlic powder, sazon, thyme. Then you just go ahead and cover your chicken. Give it a nice little pat. Mix it in. Oh yeah, pat that thing down. And this is how it should look. Now get you a pan. Make sure it's hot. Throw that chicken on there. 2 to 3 minutes each side. Flip it over. Make sure it has a nice little crisp to it. Now take it out. Put some butter in that pan. Onions and garlic. Mix it up together. Now you're making that roux with the flour. Pour in that heavy cream. Some chicken stock. Some cheese. Some bouillon cube. Ooh, now you put some cream cheese. Then your mushrooms. Throw your chicken on there. All 4 pieces. And make sure you cover it up. Cover it all up. Throw some pepper on that thing. Throw it in that oven. Boom. Look at this. Over a bed of mashed potatoes. Enjoy this meal. Let me know how it goes.